Ocheze, you're daring me. Ocheze, you're daring me. You're getting on my nerves. Ocheze, you're daring me.
Your Majesty, I don't know what you're talking about.
You instructed Ibebuna never to allow Egwatu into this palace again, right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Gods of our land, I'm inviting you to be my witness. This woman is provoking me, and I will kill her. I will kill this woman. I want you to be my witness. This woman has been challenging me. No man has ever tried it. This insignificant creature wants to experiment with me. He doesn't know what my vial can be.
Your Majesty, I think you are being too harsh. I've been asking you to avoid commenting on Egwatu. You cannot resist the temptation. Even open Abasali Egwatu, Walia Solum. You don't know who I am. Mebukwenegi. Ocheze, Mebukwenegi. Mebukwenegi. Your Majesty. What from here, but you can't even. Yes, I did. I sent for you. Listen, I am told that Egwatu brought me some cake and gift items, and you asked him to go back. Is that right? Yes, Your Majesty.
Why?
Your Majesty, I am your Queen Ocheze of Umidike Kingdom, your lovely wife that wants the best for you. I know the things you need and the ones you don't.
Listen to me. Chatterbox. Listen to me. Listen. Egwatu is my general manager and my special advisor on economic matters, on business matters. He is the backbone of this company. He gets married, and out of respect and love, he brings me cake. And you ask him to go back with that cake. Are you mad? Why did you have to do that?
Your Majesty, you see, there's a lot about that young man you do not know. That young man is of a questionable character. I don't trust him. So I couldn't have allowed him to give you what you will eat.
Go and bring back that cake.
Your Majesty, if you need cake, I'll call those that is their job to make cakes. And they will make delicious cake for you.
Bring that cake back.
Your Majesty, I'm sure they must have added excessive sugar in that cake. And you know it's not good for you.
Bring that cake back.
Your Majesty, get a good cake.
Listen to me. If by nightfall that cake is not here, you'll regret it. Because you don't really know who I am. I've been playing it soft with you. You think I'm weak? Bring that cake back. Get out. Sit down on it over. Please leave me, leave, till I hurt you.
You have held on to this grudge long enough. Why don't you let go?
I do not bear any grudge against him.
That soon. See that? Your voice is different from your body language.
Honestly, I bear no grudges against him.
You do. And I have a feeling you still love him.
I did. I don't love him anymore. The moment he cheated on me with another woman, everything just ended.
But he said he is sorry.
That's his business.
I remember one time you told me I will love Ben for the rest of my life no matter what. What happened to that?
That was then. Not now. I don't love him anymore. The moment he cheated on me, emphasis on the word cheated. Please.
Let's just say you never meant it.
I did, but not anymore. See, the fact that he slept with another woman drives me crazy. He should just get lost, please.
Not like what I'm about to say matters. Not like you're ever gonna listen to me. But if you ask me, that's just my opinion. I think you should give it a second thought.
I'm coming. Who's there? Oh, Your Majesty. Greetings. I wasn't expecting you, Your Majesty. Have a seat.
Why have you decided to pitch me against my husband?
How do you mean, Your Majesty?
Don't pretend. Stop that pretentious attitude. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
I do not know what you are talking about, Your Majesty.
Now let me make it straight. I want you to resign from the company as the manager as well as special advisor to the king on business matters. I want you to leave this community and go far away where the king would never come close to you or even have access to you.
Your Majesty, with all due respect, why do you want me to resign? Why?
Don't worry, your resignation is not without compensation. I'll make sure you're perfectly settled.
Alright, Your Majesty. In that case, I will have to speak with His Majesty the King. If he approves of it, I will resign the next day.
The king is not aware of this. This is between us. So I expect some level of maturity from you.
Your Majesty, what you do not understand is that the king will ask questions. What do I explain to him? Please allow me to see the king so I can explain to him. Once he approves of it, I would resign. I will do that immediately. He needs to know.
I'm not surprised at what I'm getting from you. I'm not surprised at this response. I've always known you're too desperate. I've always known you as a desperado. Now, listen to me and listen very good. You are pushing your luck. And if you don't desist, I will crush you. Nonsense.
Don't you dare talk to me like that.
Oh really? I will talk to you anyhow I please because obviously you are not wise.
I am warning you! Don't talk to me that manner again!
And if I do, what are you going to do? Huh? Aside the fact that you are senseless, what are you going to do? You think you are smart? No, you are not. How dare you? Huh? How dare you persuade the queen to indulge the services of palace maids? Why? What for?
Oh, you already told me I'm not intelligent, right? So I'm not going to answer your stupid question.
Of course, even a toddler knows that you are not intelligent. But I will tell you that I know exactly where you breathe from. I know your game plan, mister. You want the queen to indulge the services of palace maids so that you, at your own time, can go and sleep with them. Huh?
I never knew you were this stupid. In fact,
dear,
you just displayed the highest level of stupidity.
Oh please, sir! Just know that it will not work. Did you just insult me? Did you?
Of course. You did first.
Hey, so because I'm in your father's house, you think you can open up your mouth and spew nonsense? Do you know who my father is? No, scratch that. Do you know who I am? Back in the US of A, innocent son came begging me to marry him. What did I do? I dumped him. Dangote's son him, begging me to be his life partner. But no, my father made me dump him as well. And I keep asking myself, what exactly is it that my father sees in you? Because man, I'm not seeing anything. What? You're nothing but a scumbag.
I don't blame you. I don't. Okay? I will not stoop so low as to stand before you and banter words with you.
Babe, what does she want?
Can you imagine? She wants me to resign my position from the company.
Oh, I've always known it to come to this. She obviously wants her son to take over the company.
I don't think so. She didn't say anything like that. It's
Babe,
not because of her son.
That is it. She may not have voiced it, but that's it. There's no other reason. She wants her son to take over the company and that's it.
I insist. It's not because of that reason. This queen came to my house to tell me to resign from the company. Not just that, leave this community to another community where the king will not be able to reach me. Can you imagine?
What?
What? See what I'm saying? It's not about her son taking over the management of the company. No.
Babe, something is wrong somewhere.
Definitely. Something is wrong somewhere and I owe it to myself to get to the root of this. I will get to the root of this.
You called this meeting, so we're all ears.
Father, I know what I'm about to say will sound strange to you and Mother. But whatever I intend to say here today represents the true intent of my mind.
All right, son. Go ahead and talk to us.
It's about Glory. Mother, I am sick and tired of her. This relationship is ended. And she has to leave this palace today.
Excuse you? No, what was that? Huh? What was that you just spewed? Do you know who I am? No. Do you know who my father is? Huh? Do you know the caliber of men that are pleading with me to be their life partner? Do you know? Honestly, I do not know what it is my father saw in you. You know what? Even before you spoke this nonsense, I was already done with you. Excuse me.
Go to Glory. Pacify her and ask her to come back, that nobody walks out on the king. Go on.
All right, my husband.
You know, I'm not happy with what you said here. I mean, in all honesty, I'm disappointed in you, but I'll forgive you for one reason.
I went to your room and you were not there. Well, as you can see, I came out here to chill before leaving. Look, you are not going anywhere, my dear. Okay? How can you say that, my queen? I mean, you heard your son ask me to leave. Of course I heard him say that. But at the same time, he doesn't have the power to call such shots. Yes. So, you are not going anywhere. He is the prince. Not just the prince, but the crown prince. Next to Eze Dikeh. That still does not give him such powers. Yes. Well, my queen, right now I am paranoid. I have made up my mind. I'm leaving. You calm down and let's have a discussion. That's exactly why I'm here. My queen, I cannot calm down, can't you see? does he think he is? The governor's son or what? Dangote's son? Innocent's son? Who is he? I can't even tell what my father saw in him that made me force him to marry him. Why? What? Who is he?
Glory, will you please calm down? Besides, it's very wrong to take decisions in anger.
Well, there is nothing to talk about. We can't talk now, maybe later. When my mind calms down or something.
Very well then. I will oblige you if that is what you want.
This is actually not a meeting. No. I just called two of you so we can straighten a few things out. Ikenna.
Yes, Father.
I want you to go to Gloria. Tell her you're sorry.
Father, you didn't just say that.
I did. I remember I told you that this is not a meeting. So I actually don't expect to get your opinion on anything. Just do as I've said.
What?
The king said that you should stand up, go and apologize to Gloria.
No, Mother. I won't apologize to her.
What? How dare you? How dare you say no to us?
Okay, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. My own son looks me in the eye and says, I won't do that. I can't do that. Okay. I will instruct the accounts manager to freeze your account. Henceforth, you get no kobo from the palace.
Father, you can't do that to me.
I will go a step further. You will surrender your car keys. So, from now on, you get a little taste of what the common man endures.
Exactly.
All the privileges you enjoy as a prince will be cut off. Now you can leave my presence.
Father, please, can I say something?
Get out!
Things we are playing, it will soon dawn on him. Can you imagine?
Hello, Stanley. How are you? Well, I'm fine.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Please let me call you back. Stop this. Come on.
What?
Get your hands off me.
Come on. Don't tell me you didn't like me some kind of way. Don't you like it? Huh?
Get your hands off me.
Come on.
What's wrong with you?
What do you care for?
I came to see the king.
Good. You can see the king, but first, why don't you come to my room? I want to entertain you. You would like it.
No,
Wait. Okay. Hey.
The last time I checked, I am not here to be entertained. Alright? Stop this. Excuse me.
Wait. Come. See?
So, tell me, how did you go with the prince?
He promised to bring me into the palace.
You don't mean it?
Yes.
He promised to bring you into the palace?
Yes.
Wow. That is a good news for us. So.
You can say that again.
News. Hey, when is he planning to bring you to the palace?
Oh, he wasn't specific.
I see.
I would...
You have to pressurize him to do that, okay?
I'll try.
Did he touch you?
No.
He did not touch you?
No. You don't trust me?
Are you doubting me or what?
It's not as if I'm doubting you. You know, it's not easy to represent a yam and goat in the same room. I'm surprised. You know, Prince is a very handsome man, and it's very, very, very hard for maidens to resist him.
I can resist him anytime, any day. Yes.
That's why I love you. That's why I love you.
You should know my body is for you. For you alone.
No problem. So, can we have some fun?
You don't need to ask.
Can we?
It's for you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Have you come with your resignation letter?
No, Your Majesty.
Why are you here?
I came to see the king.
You can't see him.
I can't see him. Then he did not want me to resign.
And how do you mean by that?
I want to discuss something with the king. So I need to see him before I decide my fate.
You have the guts to talk to me in that manner? You have the guts?
Your Majesty, as you can see, we are both here alone. So you know the answers to the questions.
You dare talk back at me? You dare talk back at me? Now get out. Get out of this palace.
With all due respect, Queen Ocheze, please, I need to see the king. Please. I need to see him before
You
I
will
resign.
not see my husband. Okay?
I'm not leaving anyway if I didn't see the king.
Oh, really?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Then you will leave me with no choice than to involve the head of security of Dikeh. Guards! Security!
It's all right, Your Majesty. I will leave. But be rest assured that I will not resign my position as the company's head and also the king's special advisor on business. I will not.
We will see about that. Now get out. Fool! This guy has beaten more than he can chew. I will see how far your stubbornness will take you.
I'm sorry.
What did you say?
I said, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Baby, I'm sorry too. Okay?
It's okay. I should be the one saying sorry here. Yes. And I'm saying sorry from the depth of my heart. With all sincerity of my heart. I say sorry.
Honestly, baby, I don't know what to say. This is so awesome. But babe, can we just stop all this, bickering and fighting and live in peace? Even if it's just for one day, can we?
Baby. Why one day? When we can live in peace for the rest of our lives.
You and I. You and I live in peace for the rest of our lives. Is that even possible?
Of course it is. It's possible.
Babe, you like looking for my trouble. Every time.
I'm sorry. I won't do that again, okay? Yeah.
Say that again.
I said, I am sorry and I won't do that again.
Are you sure the undocumented tradition on African women will let you keep your promise? Are you sure?
I'll give it a try.
Right? You promised?
Promise me.
Cross your heart.
Cross my heart.
I love you.
I love you, baby.
I love you more.
Where's the Egwatu that you said was sitting down there?
Your Highness, he was here. He was seated here, and I told him I was going to call you.
Well, he's a man. Maybe he thought I had kept away for too long, so he decided to take some fresh air outside. Go and see if he's outside and call him.
Okay, Your Highness, I'll be right back.
Okay.
This has to be the best sight of the day.
Exactly what I was just going to say.
I know, right?
Can you both just allow us to have our moment, please?
Request granted.
You know, this is how it should be. Lovebirds.
Don't worry. We'll try to make it feel like this always. Right, baby?
Yes, baby.
This is the best word of the day.
Absolutely.
You know you guys are drama queens, right?
Why?
A moment ago you said this is the best sight of the day. And right now, Obiageri, you are saying this is the best word of the day.
Well,
Amen.
bottom line is, I like what I see.
Keep it up.
So please, keep it up, guys.
It's okay. I'll suggest we take a stroll around the palace. What do you think?
Nice idea. Anything to get away from this too.
Please, lovebirds.
Bye. It's so beautiful.
Okay,
baby.
know.
Such a nice sight. Who would ever think?
You better keep it up. Have you seen Iguatu?
He left a while ago.
Oh, okay. I'll be inside.
All right then.
Enjoy yourself.
I'll just be here.
So where is he?
He has gone home, Your Highness.
What? No. Egwatu can come here and go home without seeing me. No.
Exactly. It's surprising because when he came here, he particularly mentioned he wanted to see you.
Egwatu came here specifically to see me. Why did he just leave? Why?
Maybe there was an emergency and he had to just rush home.
Even so, if there were an emergency, he would have dropped a note. He works with me. He works for me. I am the king. He comes in.
Yes. That was where he got it wrong. Very bad.
You know what must have happened? What must have happened?
Oh. You don't look happy. What is it?
I'll be fine.
Enough of I'll be fine, Mom. You can talk to me. What is it?
I do not want to talk about the subject matter until I take action.
Okay. If you say so. I actually came up here to talk to you about something.
What is it?
Mom, it's about Iguatu. I noticed that you were indifferent about him and...
I do not want to talk about that idiot. Because he is the same reason I am very angry right now.
Okay, Mom. You really need to tell me what's going on, okay? What is it?
I will not talk about it. Maybe later, but not now.
Okay. In that case, I'll just go. Excuse me.
What exactly have I done wrong to this woman? Why the hatred? I accord her with maximum respect. I have never insulted her for any reason. I don't intend to do that. Why is she displaying this level of hatred on me? God, save my soul from this queen.
Babe, why is your face like that? Does your head ache?
No.
What happened?
The queen refused me access to see the king.
What's her reason this time?
I don't know. Reasons best known to her.
It's okay, baby. Don't let it bother you, okay? You don't have to worry yourself. Just go ahead and call the king on the phone.
I've been trying to call the king. I've tried virtually all his numbers. They're not connecting.
Babe, are you sure they didn't block you?
Block me? By the king? No. I don't think the king would do such a thing. No. That's not possible. No, it's not possible.
What if the queen took his phone and blocked you herself?
You are not far from the truth. I mean, what have I been thinking of? Give me your phone, please. It's ringing.
No.
Hello, Willis.
Greetings, Your Majesty. It is me, Egwatu.
Egwatu? What happened? I've been trying to call you. Okay, suddenly your name disappeared from my phone. I've been wondering what the problem is.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I've been trying to call your lines, but they're not connecting.
I don't believe you when you say my line. Look, I've never switched off my phone. I don't know why I say it's not connecting. What's the problem?
Yes, Your Majesty, like I said, all your numbers are not connecting, so I decided to use my wife's line to call you.
Okay. Egwatu, I heard you came to the palace today and you left without seeing me. Why?
Your Majesty, the queen refused me access to see you.
What? The queen asked you to leave?
I don't know. She asked me to leave.
It's all right. I'll get back to you.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you. Can you imagine?
Now you know you were actually blocked.
I do not need your afternoon. There is nothing good about this afternoon. There is fire on the mountain. We need to act fast.
What is the problem?
The prince and Glory, they are living like lovebirds. They are very close to each other right now. There is a problem.
How is that possible?
I do not know how possible that is. I do not know. They no longer fight, nor quarrel.
What do you mean by you don't know?
See,
what do you want me to do now?
What I want you to do is ask the prince for more money. What? Yes.
Money?
Yes, now.
But he just gave me 100,000 last week. And I've not even finished spending my own part of the money.
Don't you know the reason why you are here? Eh? What will 100,000 do for you? Eh? In fact, this time around, tell the prince that you need 500,000.
500 what? Do you know what is 500,000? Ha! It's too much, Omi. I cannot. No, never. It's too much.
Anita, I will swear for you. I will swear for you. Better coordinate yourself. Tell him that the 100,000 is finished. That you need more money. What do you mean? 500 is too much. That is the only thing you will do. That is the only way you can gain something from this prince. That is the only way you can get. Before you know it, this people will play you like snooker. They will just spot you. Pocket six. You're gone. So this is the only opportunity we have to get something from this prince. What's wrong with you? Get sense.
Don't worry. I know what to do.
Better. You have to do whatever you need to do now and be at your best. Did you hear me? Did you hear me?
I heard you, no problem.
Let me get back to work.
Anita. Anita!
Your Majesty.
Egwatu came to see me and you turned him back. Why?
Your Majesty, you were sleeping and I didn't want you to be disturbed.
Did what?
You were sleeping and I didn't want you to be disturbed.
I was not sleeping. Why did you turn him back?
Your Majesty, I couldn't have allowed anyone disturb your sleep.
Don't lie to me. Why did you turn him back?
Your Majesty, can I ask you a question?
Go on.
Why are you attaching so much importance to that boy? Or are you deliberately planning to provoke me?
To provoke you? Anita, who are you? And just what do you think you are? Listen to me, Anita. I never married you out of love. I want you to get that straight into your skull. I never did. My people procured you for me, and I said, okay, no problems. In other words, there is no emotional commitment to you on my own part. Anita, please. That tells you how insecure your situation is in this family. Do you know what you're talking about? Egwatu is the live wire of my company. Egwatu is the backbone of that company. A few days ago, I received a letter of commendation from the Bayelsa state government, right? Look at that Riverview estate. It's the brainchild of Egwatu, and it brought 6 billion naira into my account. Listen to me. I am merely tolerating you because I don't want to start a scandal. But if you push your luck, I'll kick you out of this place. And I'm giving you my word. I will kick you out of this family.
Your Majesty, Egwatu is not the best in the world.
Anita, get out.
In your...
Get out. Get out!
Any other person could have done what Egwatu is doing.
Shut
if
up
given the same opportunity.
Idiot.
Thank you, my king.
Edward, you're welcome. Looking you over, I can tell that marriage is good on you. Oh yes. And you have put on some good weight.
Okay, that's an evidence of good marriage.
Exactly. I mean, next your wife is going to use a beautiful cooking to shoot your tummy out.
I know what that means, Your Majesty.
Even before you start struggling to get a child, Yeah, good. Darling.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're looking good. I'm happy about it.
I'm happy too.
Hold on. Greetings, Your Majesty.
I do not need your infected greetings.
Please, have a seat.
There is nothing in this wretched parlor of yours that looks like royalty. Do you realize whom you're talking to? Don't you know you're talking to Queen Ocheze, the royal queen of Umudike Kingdom? How dare you ask me to sit on any of this?
What can I do for you, Your Majesty?
You don't have the capacity to do anything for me. I understand your husband used your line to call my husband after I blocked him from reaching the king on phone.
That's correct, Your Majesty.
Oh really? You just made yourself my enemy. I will not hesitate from going into war with you.
I apologize, Your Majesty. I am truly sorry, and I promise my husband will never call the king with my line again. I promise.
There's only one way to show that you are sorry. And that is by convincing your husband to resign from the company and walk away with a sum of 20 million naira.
I'll talk to my husband, Your Majesty.
I never said you should talk to him. I want you to pressure him into accepting my offer, and that includes both of you leaving this community to far away where my husband, the king, would never reach him.
That's not a problem. I promise I'll talk to my husband.
You better do. You better do. Else, you are asking for war, and I'll give it to you hot.
Your Majesty, there is something I want to verify from you.
Oh.
Okay. Are you aware that the Queen asked me to resign from the company?
What?
Yes, Your Majesty. No, I decided to call you on the phone, but on the second thought, I realized this is not something I should call and tell you over the phone.
Wait. The Queen asked you to resign from my company.
Yes, Your Majesty. Not just that. She asked me to resign as your special advisor on business matters and to walk away from the community.
The Queen did. It's all right. I'll handle it.
Please, Your Majesty. I don't know if I will be the problem between you and the Queen. Please, I'd rather walk away.
Come on, shut up. You've forgotten you are talking to the king now.
Sorry, Your Majesty.
I built this company alone. That woman did not put a kobo into the company. She's enjoying herself out of my sweat. She's not contributing anything except cooking when she feels like. She's not even a very good cook, come to think of it. Don't worry about it. I think I'll handle it. You see, sometimes when a man is too gentle, they think he's weak. If he now decides to be a man, they think he's wicked. He's hey, God, my God. The Queen. Hey, there I go. Yeah.
in that case, I think you should talk to the Queen. This whole thing is distracting me from the company. I can't work independently. I'm losing focus.
I can give you my word that all that nonsense ends today. I am learning it for the first time. And I know how to handle a situation like this.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I know I can always count on you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Leaving already?
Yes, yeah.
I thought I told you I wanted to see you.
Oh. Okay, sorry about that. What is it that you want to discuss with me?
It's okay, I forgive you. I noticed my mother does not like you.
Yeah, I keep wondering why. Why she does not like me.
Do you want me to find out for you? I mean, I could do that.
That would be nice. Thoughtful of you. Yes, please do.
Okay, I will.
So, when will you do that?
I'll do that before the week runs out and then I'll let you know.
Okay. Alright, I'll be expecting to hear from you. Yeah? Okay. Take care.
Okay.
This woman does not like my husband, and she can kill him if the chance is given. What did my husband do to her that will warrant such hatred?
Hey, love. How are you? What is wrong? Your face is not bright. What is it?
Babe, the Queen visited immediately you left the house.
What does she want? Huh?
She came to tell me that I am now her enemy for allowing you call the king with my phone.
She came to my house to threaten you? See, I can take everything from the Queen, but not coming to my house to threaten my wife. No! Mba! God knows in heaven that I will not take that!
Babe, maybe you should just resign.
What did you just say? I should resign? What?
I don't want anything to happen to you.
See, nothing will happen to me, okay? Nothing.
I'm afraid, babe. I'm afraid.
You have nothing to be afraid of. I had an extensive discussion with the king, and he assured me that he is not in support of the Queen.
What exactly is the Queen's problem?
I don't know. And at this point, I don't care anymore. I don't care.
What did the king say?
He said I should ignore what the Queen is doing.
Babe, you know, just ignoring what the Queen said or is doing is not enough. The king needs to call the Queen to order.
And the king that I know will always call the Queen to order. Okay?
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. Okay? You have nothing to worry about. Right? Come here, baby. Come. You have nothing to worry about. Okay?
I already consent called me for interview.
Wow. Really?
Yes.
Oh, that's a good news, baby. Come here. That's a good news.
Yeah.
Cause for celebration.
Here I am. You said you wanted to discuss something. I'm all ears.
Okay, so after a long range of thoughts within myself, I have decided to give Ben a second chance.
Beautiful. Oh my God.
But if he messes up one more time, that will be the end of us.
He dares not. I promise you he won't this time.
But you know, he really hurt me.
I know. But you see, sis, it's just a thing with men.
Are you saying that men cannot stay with one woman?
Well, that is a question I do not have an answer to.
But I have the answer to that question.
Please, tell me.
It is very possible for a man to stay with a woman and stick with her all his life.
What are you even saying? It's not possible for a man to be with one woman all his life. It's not possible.
When you sound like this, you give men the right and the will to cheat.
Come on, sis. You and I, we've had this conversation again and again, and I beat you to it. So just let it be. Cheating is a thing for men. But for now, congratulations for getting back with your man. Congratulations.
For what exactly?
For getting back.
Oh, please.
You know what? I better go see Mom briefly
Before you run. When are you resuming work?
I am still enjoying my leave.
Same here.
Excuse me.
All right then.
Yeah. Okay. Mom. Greetings.
Thank you. How are you, my angel?
I am fine. Someone is in a good mood today.
Well, something close to that.
I like it when you're like this, Mom. I actually came to talk to you about something.
Okay, what's good?
It's about Iguatu.
You see, let me put it straight. I hate him.
Come on, Mom. That's a very strong word to use for a human being.
I'm sorry, sweetheart, but you should know your mother by now. I don't know how to pretend. I don't know how to pamper evil when I see one. I put it straight. That's me.
That is correct. So tell me, why do you hate him?
I really can't place a finger on it. But each time I see him, I see an enemy to the throne.
Iguatu. Come on, Mom. You and I know that Iguatu is no enemy to the throne.
You may be right. But you know people change. Just a little grease on his palm. He might go as far as betraying the throne.
That is also possible. But in my opinion, don't get me wrong, I would like you to stop seeing him as an enemy to the throne.
My dear, that's a bit difficult. As a matter of fact, I've tried that on several occasions, but it's simply not working. So I decided to face it head on. It's just a matter of time. That thing he's hiding, whatever he's hiding, will be exposed. Trust me.
You know what, Mom? Okay, let me leave you alone to rest and maintain this good mood of yours. Okay?
I guess you don't want to spoil my mood.
No, I love you. Excuse me.
I love you, Mom. Please get me a cup of juice.
Okay, I got it.
Thank you.
Hello, beautiful. My name is Benjamin. Ben for short. Nice meeting you. Okay. Can I know your name?
Glory.
What a beautiful name for a beautiful princess. I was thinking I can get your number.
What for?
You are charming. You are precious. Beautiful. And I would love to see you again. Outside.
Okay, young man. Do I take it that you are blind? Can't you see? Didn't you take a very good look at me before spewing that nonsense? Can't you see that you are not in my class? I am way above your league. So with all due respect, not that you deserve it, I do not give out my contact to strangers.
I am no longer a stranger to you. We are friends already.
Oh really? Says who? So because you introduced yourself as Ben, that's why you are qualified to call yourself my friend? Huh? Is that it? Is that it? You know what? I have tried diplomatically to dismiss you, but I can see that you belong to the age of the never listen.
Wow.
I am going to ask you one more time to leave my way, else you will see the other side of me. And believe you me, in 10 years time to come, you will not be done telling the story.
It hasn't gotten to the extent of you and I fighting.
Then bounce. Move! Get out! Such guts! How does name come through? I don't blame you. I blame whoever brought you.
Beauty. Definitely my idol.
I must find you somewhere around. And here you are. You are obviously enjoying yourself.
Well, here to join me.
Ah no, I'll pass. I don't do sugar.
Come on, this isn't sugar. This is oranges.
Oh, please. There is more than 75% of sugar in that yak you are consuming.
Here we go again. If I have this argument with you, I won't win. So I'll rest my case.
Better. Okay, so I was meaning to ask you, who's that guy that just came in?
Oh, that's Mr. Ben.
Okay, Ben. Who's Ben?
Ben is Obegili's boyfriend.
Oh.
Yes.
Can I tell you something? That Ben is not a nice guy.
Why would you say that?
Don't worry. Very soon, Princess Obegiri will find out what I'm talking about.
I don't understand.
Chill. Don't worry. Very, very soon you'll find out.
I don't get it.
Don't bother. Don't worry.
Hello, darling.
I missed you.
I missed you more. I missed you so much.
I forgive you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Listen, I promise you, it will never repeat itself again. It will never happen again.
That's okay. It's fine.
It's okay, darling. Though it wasn't actually my fault. She kind of used a love spell on me, and I at that point
It's okay. It's fine. That's all in the past now. Let's face the future and deal with it.
and that's what I want. To deal with the future together with you.
That's all I want from you too. Thank you.
My love, I promise you, it will never, I repeat, it will never repeat itself again. I love you so much.
Kosiora, you said you have an information for me. Let's hear it.
Come on. Can't you even just be a little romantic? How about, hi, Princess Kosiora, how was your day? Hope you're doing well. It's one of hearts. Huh?
I'm sorry about that. How was your day?
Thank you. I am fine, my prince. Okay. To the main information I brought you. My mother doesn't like you. I mean, she sees you as a danger and a threat to the throne.
Me? A threat to the throne? This is so strange. Are you serious about this?
Yes.
How could I be a threat to the throne? I mean, tell me. How does she see me as a threat?
That's the problem. She didn't really specify. The information I just gave you was all I could gather from her. I know.
This is really strange, you know?
Yeah.
Anyways, Princess Kosiora, thank you so much for this information. I appreciate it.
Of course, you're welcome. Anytime. Okay, so now that I have done this favor for you, can I also ask you for a favor?
Okay. Alright, if it's something I can do, okay? Why not? I'll do it myself.
Of course, it's something that you can do very, very well. It's pretty much easy.
Okay, let's hear it.
Okay. I would like for you to take me to a very nice, private and cozy hotel. Take off those clothes. I feel very uncomfortable in it, and punish me all night. Huh? That is all I ask. Please don't say no.
Hey, Princess. You know, sometimes when you speak, I do not see the embodiment of being a princess around you. You don't carry yourself as one. You speak as if you are talking from your arms.
Excuse me?
Once again, thanks for the information. You may leave.
What?
Mm-hmm. Princess, thank you.
Hi, Glory. Hi, Lily. How are you doing? I'd like us to talk. Are you that busy? Hold on. Okay. What's on your mind? Kosiora told me what you said about Ben.
What exactly did she tell you?
She said, you said, he's not a nice guy.
She said, you said. Sounds childish. Well, yes, my darling, I said so.
Why?
Well, I think you have to do some findings about your man.
Glory, I would like it if you tell me.
I think it's best to do a research yourself and find out who your man really is. Okay?
Did he ask you out?
Like I said, my darling, just do a research and find out who your man truly is. Glory, I would really like it if you tell me. My darling, Ben is your man. Alright? So I would advise you to do a research and find out who your man truly is. Did he ask you out? My darling, I insist you make a research and find out who your man truly is. Alright? Alright. I take that as a challenge. And I'll take it. Good for you. Excuse me. Quite astute.
What are her findings?
The Queen sees me as a threat to the throne.
She told you that?
Yes, she did.
What kind of threat?
I don't know. She did not tell me anything.
Babe. Baby. Please. Can we just leave this community to somewhere else? Listen, babe. I am very certain you're going to get a better job somewhere else. With your experience in business management, it won't be difficult for you to get another job. Please.
Did you just say this to me? Like, are you giving up already? Wait, what do you want the king to do? He will be more disappointed in me if I do that. I don't want that to happen, please.
Baby, your life is in danger.
Baby, my life is not in any kind of danger, right?
Babe, the queen seeing you as a threat to the throne alone is enough danger. Babe, look, she might go to any length to hurt you.
Nothing will happen to me, right? Come on, nothing will happen to me, okay? I'll be fine. Trust me.
Babe, I just don't want anything to happen to you.
Hey, nothing will happen to me. Relax, okay? Come. Relax, I'll be fine. Okay? Come here. Nothing will happen to you, okay?
It took you long to come.
That's because I was in the middle of something.
Oh.
Very busy.
Oh, you were having a good time with Glory.
Hey, come off it. It's not what you think.
But that's true. I can see that both of you are now on a dazzling love mode.
Oh, come on. It's not what you think, okay? Come on. I don't understand.
Where do I stand in all of this?
Anita, you've asked me this question severally. And I remember I've answered your question, right?
Yes, you've answered my questions. But I'm no longer comfortable with your answers.
I don't understand.
Anyways, we'll talk about that next day. I need money.
But I gave you money last week.
You gave me money last week and it's finished. I need another one.
How much are we talking about?
500k.
What do you need such amount of money for?
For family issue that we need to settle.
I see.
Can I have
Okay. I'll make 300,000 available to you.
I said I need 500. It's fine, let me have it.
Okay, come on. Not so fast. I still have your account number.
Happy. Yeah. No, I'm not in the mood.
You're not in the mood?
Yes.
Don't worry. I'll put you in the mood.
Stop now. Stop. I said I'm not in the mood. Stop. Next time.
It's okay. I'll send you the money.
Give me money. I'm touching you. Shh. Can this be? Hello?
Hello, darling.
Who is this?
My name is Benjamin. Ben for short.
You scum. How did you get my number?
Does it really matter?
Of course it does matter. Listen, if you do not tell me how you got my number, I will end this call right now.
Why are you being this harsh on me? Have I said anything wrong?
You have done everything wrong when you decided to become a Casanova. I mean, like, aren't you ashamed of yourself? Huh? Must you sleep with everything in skirts? Must you? Why are you not contented with your woman? Why? Are you not in a relationship with Obiageri? Huh?
Kind of. But the thing is that I fell in love with you the very moment I set my eyes on you.
Oh, please. Stop that. Cut me some slack. When you see love, can you even identify it? Huh? You fell in love with me. Please get out of my phone. He goat. Rubbish.
All this gra-gra. Well, I'm not giving up on you. Never.
Baby. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
No, baby. You don't look fine to me. What is it?
Nothing. I'm good, okay?
Baby, don't tell me nothing. I know you. What is going on?
I have so much on my mind.
Okay, so share it with me.
Baby, it's business, okay? Business, nothing more. That is why I don't want to bother you with it.
Baby, it's business. And you're fully aware that I have a master's in business administration. I mean, you know, I can be your consultant or advisor in business, baby.
Honey, you don't need to bother yourself, okay? Don't worry. I will handle it. I've always done that. I'm fine.
Are you sure? Babe, are you sure?
I'm sure, baby. Come on. I'm sure. I'm good.
Hi, my princess. Hi, girl. Are you busy? Because if you're busy, I can actually, you know, go and come back.
No. I was only sending a mail to my company and I've done that already. So we can talk.
We can talk now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, so I noticed your brother is not happy.
Are you sure?
Yes, very sure. Very, very sure. And you know, I've asked him about it, but
He's not telling me anything. Since today, he's been very, very gloomy.
What could that be?
Honestly, I can't really place my hands on what it is. And that is why I've come to you. Please, you need to help me find out what troubles my man.
As his woman, you should ask him first, don't you think so?
And you think I have not done that? Oh, come on, my princess. I have done that. But he's not opening up to me.
It's okay. I'll speak to him and I'll get back to you.
You will?
I will.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate this, okay?
Consider it done.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I'm happy now. Okay, let me leave you to continue your work. All right? While I go. Thank you once again.
You're welcome.
All righty.
What is it? Is everything okay? You called me. You sounded really worried.
Have a seat. Sit down.
Okay. Calm down. What is it?
Something bothers me.
Obviously.
Oh, yes. And I feel you are the only one I can confide in.
You can trust me.
I was involved in a relationship with another woman. Those times Glory was giving me issues.
Who is this woman?
Her name is Anita.
Anita. I see. So, what's the problem here?
The problem is, she feels I don't give her the much needed attention anymore. Yes, I stopped. I stopped because Glory turned around and started giving me those things I need as a man. So she's mad at that. She started making demands.
Demands? What type of demands?
First, she wants me to bring her to the palace.
What?
Not just that. She wants to serve as one of the maids in the palace. She also wants me to make our relationship public.
Wait, what?
I'm telling you.
Hold on. Didn't you tell her that you are in a relationship and that she's, some kind of spare tire?
I did. But she wouldn't listen. Rather, she wants me to do some things I can't do.
Okay. What do you want?
I want her off my neck. And I want you to do it for me by any means necessary.
How do I meet this woman?
I can bring her to the palace.
Then go to sleep. I got this.
Thank you.
Of course. You see, brother, 99% of men will do exactly what you have done. I mean, no one wants to marry a troublemaker and keep her as a wife.
No one.
Go rest your head. I got this. Okay? I got it.
Thank you.
All right.
Sleep well. Ibebunam. What is it? I've been on in my car since. What's going on?
Oga, you are using your horn to disturb us in the palace. What is it?
Are you okay? Have you gone nuts? Are you
Oga,
stupid?
Oga, please. It is still early for exchange of words. What do you want?
Are you blind? Can't you say I want to drive in? I want to see the king.
Oga, you cannot drive in. You have been barred from entering the palace.
Are you joking? Are you?
No, I'm not joking.
Barred by who?
By the queen. So just go back to wherever you are coming from.
Hey, don't dare lock the gate on me. Are you okay?
What will you do if I lock the gate on you?
You ask me that question?
Yes.
What will I do if you lock the gate on me?
And I ask you again, what will you do if I lock the gate on you?
I can see you've grown some wings and I will be the one to put you in your place.
Then you can do nothing. You can do nothing. Nya. Loser, get away from here.
Are you...
Don't blow that horn here.
Did he call me a loser? He actually did.
Hello, my Prince Charming.
I'm not a prince, so please don't address me as one for now.
Come on. When I call you my prince, doesn't necessarily mean you're a prince. Okay? It's just my way of letting you know that I adore you, I'm into you, and I love you. So tell me, are you ready for that one night stand?
That's not what I'm calling you for.
So, why are you calling?
I'm kind of stuck here.
Where?
Outside the gate. The gateman wouldn't let me in. I don't know why.
What? Is he mad? Doesn't he know who you are?
He does, but it appeared the queen ordered him not to allow me into the compound.
Do you know what? Let me speak to my father. Alright? Okay. At the gate. Oh.
Hey, baby.
You can't believe what is happening to me right now.
What's happening, babe?
The queen ordered the gateman not to allow me into the palace.
Why?
Best reasons known to her. I don't know.
That means, as we speak, you've not gained access into the palace?
Is that what I'm saying? I'm here, outside the gate.
Are they aware you came to give the king some documents to sign?
Even the queen is aware. Yet, she will not allow me access into the palace. It's really frustrating.
Babe, there's a limit to what you can take from this woman. I mean, the embarrassment is becoming too much and I don't like it.
I know. I'll conquer.
That means you're not coming to pick me to the interview venue?
That is it. Please, just find a way to that place, okay? Once you're done, call me. I'll come pick you up. Please.
It's fine, baby. So are you making any efforts to reach the king?
Yes. Gosiora has gone to call the king.
It's okay, babe. I'll keep you posted.
Same here.
Thank you. Thanks for your understanding.
Alright, safe.
Good morning, Your Majesty.
But Edward, what were you doing outside?
The gateman here refused me access to the palace.
Ibemuna, why did you lock him out?
Your Majesty, the Queen ordered me never to allow him into the compound again.
I see. Did the Queen employ you? Did the Queen employ you?
No, Your Majesty.
Come and kneel down here. Kneel down here! You'll be a black idiot. The Queen did not employ you. I pay you, and yet, just so that the Queen can order you around. This is one person who worked with my general manager, and you locked him out. Can you do his job?
No, Your Majesty. I'm very sorry, Your Majesty.
I never knew you were such a black rascal. Let it be the last time you do this. Now get out of here.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You want to please sit down.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Come on. Come on.
Just leave me alone.
Let's do this. Come on.
Wait.
It's just the two of us in here. Come on.
Wait, not until... Wait. First, you have to bring me into this palace fully. If you want anything.
Remember, I promised you that already. In no time to be done. But before then...
Wait, once allow me to talk now. Wait, once you do it, then I'll be giving it to you every day. For now, just relax.
Is that a promise?
Yes, a promise.
Okay. I'll do it. But before then, why don't you kiss me?
Just a kiss.
Just a kiss.
Just a kiss.
Come on, baby.
What name is going on here? Huh? This is what you do?
Miss Yoga.
Huh? What? What? You bring yourself so low to sleep with this low-class girl when you have a well-behaved girl that is being betrothed to you? Have you forgotten?
Miss Yoga, please. Please, I beg of you. Glory must not hear about
this. Of course Glory will hear of it. She will hear of it from me. I promise you she will. And you, this is what you do. They sneak you in and out of the palace to sleep with my brother. Are you not aware that he's betrothed to marry someone else? Are you not aware?
No, I'm not.
By the time I am done with you, your parents will not recognize you.
My princess, I'm sorry. Please,
oh, don't worry. By the time you should come with me. Come with me! Who is your father?
Keke.
Is he aware that you sneak into the palace to sleep with my brother?
No, my princess.
No! In that case, we need to tell him that you have been a bad girl.
No, my princess. I'm sorry. Don't tell my father, please.
No. If I decide to be merciful, if I decide not to tell your father, would you promise me that you will end things with my brother?
Yes. I promise.
It doesn't end there. You also have to promise that you will never step your feet in this palace ever again and things is done with my brother.
I promise you, my princess.
So it's over?
Yes, it's over.
It's done?
Yes.
You've never met my brother your entire life, right? Good. Run along. Run along!
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Yeah. With the signing of these documents now and the transaction you initiated, I think we can gladly say that the properties now belong to us.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You've done a wonderful job, Egwatu. You deserve plenty of compliments.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
That's a good job. Oh, by the way, have you ever thought of your annual leave? You know, take your leave, enjoy the honeymoon with your wife, relax.
Your Majesty, I live with my wife alone, and I think that's enough honeymoon for me.
Look, listen, you've put in long hours of work. You're required to travel out of this country, relax properly, so that nothing disturbs you. Look, even if it means going with your wife I will sponsor the trip. Yeah, so look, you require some vacation. Come on, Eguatu.
Your Majesty, that is a juicy offer. I mean, it's so tempting, I must say. But for now, it's not possible.
Why?
The newly acquired businesses need my time, need my special attention for its growth. If I remove my eyes for 1 or 2 days, it will suffer, definitely. And you know what that means? We'll suffer greatly. We'll have to start afresh, all over again. Your Majesty, no, I can't afford to do that.
I think you have a point there. But it's all right. Okay. You can go and mind the work now.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you, Your Majesty. May I take my leave, Your Majesty?
Yes, you can. Hey, but why are they getting my leave? It's all right. Dikeh.
You! Your timing was top notch. Tell me, how did you do it?
Is it not me again? Is it not your sister? You need to have seen how she was shaking when I threatened her I was going to tell her father. When does she come to the palace to see you?
You see, that was exactly what I wanted.
Yes.
You see, I want to, rekindle the love life I have started sharing with Glory again.
Of course, you need that. And I promise you, that girl, she will not come anywhere close to the palace again. And you better watch it, because if Glory finds out, it's going to be dangerous.
I know.
Disastrous.
You can say that.
You already know.
Of course.
Good.
That was why I did everything within my powers to tame Amita.
Good. It's a good one. So now, I better go. You guys have wasted my time. And you owe me.
Sure.
Huge.
You can say that.
Very huge.
Trust me, sister.
Yes, yes.
Trust me.
What?
Everything don't cast.
What do you mean everything don't
Everything don't cast.
How?
Princess Gosiora walked in on us and threatened to tell my father that I'm having an affair with the prince.
How did the princess know that you're in my room with the prince?
How am I supposed to know? I don't know.
Mama. This is not ordinary. This is not ordinary.
How do you mean?
This has never happened before. So why now that we have money to make?
I don't understand. What are you trying to insinuate?
This is his ploy to get rid of you, since he's cementing his love with Glory.
How?
That is what is playing out. The prince and Glory, they are trying to reconnect back together.
I don't understand. That's not possible.
What do you mean it's not possible? The whole thing is playing out and you are telling me it's not possible. Huh? Hi!
So, what are we going to do?
We need to re-strategize. Yes, that's what we need to do.
Obio Adaeze Kedu. Wabianso biaka muna de man kata obiano deva. You know the vandal. That young man you told me has confessed his admiration for you. What do you think about him?
Father, you know I would actually want to take my time before rushing into this. I do not want to be toyed with.
I am happy that you're taking your time. But don't let your time last for too long.
Yes, Father.
By the way, looking at that young man, your physical assessment, his appearance, What do you think about him?
Knowing whose daughter that I am, I think I'll give him a trial.
That's my daughter. That's my daughter.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Thank you.
The chief priest is here to see you.
Oh, bring him in.
Yes, I'm seeing that you Ozi.
No.
Ozi esiri m ka m bịazie gị ka m ji bịabeghị onye eze. Greetings, Your Majesty.
No, not that.
Onye eze ọ bụkwa ihe kwụrụ ihe akwụdebie onye eze. Ọ na-abụkwa anụ gba ajọ ọsọ n'ụwa gba anyị ajọ egbe onye eze. Ihe mmadụ zuru oge ya bụrụzikwa n'ụsa na be anyị onye eze. Ngwa gee ntị ka m gwa gị ozi nji bịabeghị onye eze. The gods requested that you prepare Ikenna for the lifting of Ogidi.
Thank you for the message. I'm glad. Thank you very much.
Eze na-achị obodo m ọfụma ekene gị onye eze. Eze na-anụ okwu mmụọ na-agwụ ya ekene dịrị gị onye eze. It will take place in the next Eke market day. Therefore, preparations must commence immediately.
I will instruct Ono to make the necessary arrangements. Thank you very much, Dalu.
Yes, and there's Ibia Nebulo Chekene Gionyez. Yes, and at your Budumachiti and my Ekene Gionyez. Ihoma de Marakon is in Ono Gionyez.
Dalu.
Hello?
Why have you not been picking my calls?
Who is this?
It's Anita.
Did you change your number?
I'm calling you with my second line. It's obvious you purposely do not want to pick my calls.
I was busy.
There's no need for further explanation. You know what you're doing. And it's time for me to do mine.
What do you mean by that?
I need 5 million naira.
5 million naira for what? Why would I give you 5 million naira?
Do I look like I care? I don't know. And I don't care. My own is that you must give me that money.
I can see you're out of your senses. You are. You're insane.
You are the one about to lose everything. When I tell your fiancé what we've been doing in the secret.
Listen to me, Anita. You dare not. You hear me? You dare not tell such stories.
Maybe you think I'm joking with you. Check your WhatsApp so that you understand what is about to happen to you.
Let me tell you something, Anita. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Okay, same here. I want to get back on the money.
Yeah, onye si n'elu ụwa.
Any money?
Yeah. Daalụ.
You are not down. The chief priest was here earlier today.
I hope all is well.
No. He just came to prepare the prince for the lifting of the Ogidi.
I have been waiting for this day to come.
But you know it's your responsibility to prepare him for it. Oh, no.
I don't have any problem with that. I have been waiting for the verdict of the chief priest.
Over next Eke market day.
It's okay. It's okay.
Good luck.
Oh, yes, sir.
They gave him.
Where is the priest?
He must be in his room.
I want to have a word with him before I
Pardon.
Thank you.
You can come.
You shall be carrying the Ogidi very soon. And the process of your fortification for that huge event starts very soon.
My mother already told me, and I'm ready to learn.
That is good. I am glad to hear you are prepared to learn, because learners are leaders. And the very moment any leader stops learning, that leader starts to die.
You are right to know me. You are right.
The first thing in the process of this fortification is that you must stop doing whatever, anything at all, with any woman you are not traditionally and legally married to until that very event. If you disobey this instruction, that outing is going to be a huge disaster. And I believe you are not prepared for that.
Okay, no.
Good. Another thing again.
Does that mean the king is going to die?
Oh no. Nothing is going to happen to the king.
Okay, so what's wrong with the chief priest? Because my father told me that a king can never be alive to watch his son become a king.
That is correct.
And I ask again, what is wrong with the chief priest? Huh? Why did he ask that the prince be prepared for coronation? Why?
Lifting Yogidi is a part of preparation to becoming king.
Yes. At the point of lifting the Ogidi, he's been taught the do's and don'ts of royalty.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Is that how it's being done?
Yes. Yeah.
So that means that he is not becoming king anytime soon?
Yes. That is exactly. Except if the king is no more the next day.
Oh, please don't say that. Nothing is going to happen to the king.
He say.
Okay, what was that?
That is our people's way of saying amen.
Huh. I think I like the sound of that. Can you say that one more time?
He say.
You know, that sounds more like I see.
Mm-hmm. But this meaning is different.
Really? I think I'm beginning to enjoy my people's tradition. I mean, it's becoming clearer now. You know, it's becoming clear. Kind of.
That's good. I mean, I like that for you.
Uh-huh. Thank you. I used to misunderstand it a whole lot. But now, like I said, the picture is getting clearer.
And the more you give yourself to learning, the clearer it becomes.
Exactly. You think so, right?
Mm-hmm.
I like this. Honestly, I like that I'm in Africa and I am learning the tradition and ways of my people. Thank you. Thank you so much. So you're going to teach me more of the Issei and, you know, all those traditional things.
When you are ready, we are ready.
What am I doing? Okay, speaking of, where's my man?
He should be outside.
Okay. I think I'm missing my man right now. In as much as I'm enjoying this conversation, I have to go see him briefly, okay? Don't be jealous, girls.
Why are you threatening to blackmail me?
You asked for it.
How?
I don't understand why you ask me that kind of question. You know what I'm talking about.
Okay. I'll offer you ₦1 million. 1 million naira for you to delete those pictures on your phone.
Anything less than 5 million will not be accepted.
You need to understand that I don't have that kind of money at the moment.
Then ask the king to give it to you. What do you mean you don't have that kind of money?
How do you expect me to ask my father to give me 5 million naira? I want to know what I need the money for.
That's not my business, okay?
I'll make it 2 million.
Oh,
greetings.
Greetings, Zazu.
Yes.
Did you see the prince? I've been looking for him.
Oh, I saw the prince going inside the palace building.
You saw him going inside?
Yes.
Okay, let me catch up with him. Thank you.
₦5 million last.
Okay.
Greetings, my prince.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Glory is looking for you, my prince.
Where is she?
I told her you are inside the palace building, and she left immediately to look for you inside.
Okay.
Yes, my prince.
Anita, I have to go now.
Okay, my prince.
I want you to think about what we discussed about and get back to me, okay?
Okay.
Take care.
How did it go?
And where have you been?
Nowhere. Nowhere precisely.
Nowhere is nowhere. Where are you coming from?
Oh, I went outside to look around. Yeah, just take a look around, you know. Yeah.
Really? Nothing precisely?
Nothing.
Babe,
Yes?
I've been meaning to ask you. In all sincerity, do you really want to be king?
Yes. Yes, of course. I want to be king.
You want to be king? My love, what if I tell you that I do not see you ascending that throne as king? Honestly, I can't even imagine it.
It's not a matter of you seeing me or not seeing me as a king. It is my birthright. Okay? It's my birthright.
Okay, so what happens to me when you become king?
You become my queen, of course. Hmm?
Honestly, that's not my kind of life. And now we'll be tied down here in the village. Oh, babe.
So you mean to tell me your father, who wants you to be the wife to a king, didn't tell you all that?
Obviously he didn't. He didn't tell me that.
Anyway, I'm telling you now, it is what it is. So you start positioning yourself for that.
Really?
Yes.
And now you expect me to obey all those traditional codes and blah. Come on, baby. I'm not cut out for all of that, you know.
Babe, calm down, okay? You can do it. And when that time comes, you will do it. Okay?
I can see you were not able to persuade Iguate to get into bed with you.
Yes, I wasn't able to for now, but I'll keep pressing.
If you focus this energy on another man, it will be better for you, trust me.
Sister, you know the amount of men in my DM? I mean, good-looking men begging for my attention. But I don't even see them. You know why? Because Iguatu is the one that I want.
Honestly, I have never seen you this desperate about a man before. Never.
Well, that is because I have never loved any man the way I love Iguato. Have you seen the way he talks? Oh my God. I love that man.
Easy. Easy. Mom. Why are you this happy?
Okay.
What's with the excitement?
I know, right?
My dreams and aspirations in life is about to be fulfilled.
How do you mean?
Well, very soon, your brother will lift Diogidi. And once that is done, he is on his way to the throne.
Mother, Dad is still very much alive.
I know. In fact, nothing's going to happen to your father. He's going to rule the people of Dikeh till he's much more older. But my happiness is, once your brother leaves Diogidi, he becomes the king.
Really?
Yes.
This is exciting. This calls for celebration. I better go get drinks.
Yes. I think we should hold on with the celebrations until he's done lifting the Diogidi.
I don't understand. You are scared he might not be able to lift it?
No, Mom. No. Celebrating before he lifts the Diogidi is like putting the cat in front of the bag. And you know the throne has enemies. And they are listening and watching.
I think you have a point. Very well then. We'll wait. We'll surely celebrate.
Hello.
You think I'm joking, right?
Anita, calm down. Calm down, okay? We can talk. Please, let's talk.
The time for conversation has come and gone. This is time for action.
How do you mean?
Check your WhatsApp.
I should check my WhatsApp. But we're talking on the phone already. Why don't you just... Hello? 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 Yes. I'm telling you.
It's calling back.
It's calling back?
Yes.
Make sure you pick the call, but maintain the same tempo. Eh? Okay. Maintain the tempo.
Shh.
I guess you've seen the pictures.
Anita, why are you doing this to me? What's the meaning of this?
You see all those pictures, eh? I will send all of them to your family members, including that your stupid fiancé.
Anita, you can't do that to me.
You just challenged me. And I love challenges.
I'm not challenging you. I'm saying, calm down. Let's... Anita. Anita.
Anto. I will send you to America. Yes. If he calls again, do not pick. I want us to set his heart on fire.
Yes.
His heart will explode.
He wants to try me.
He wants to try me.
You know this one now. See this position. Oh, his father will love this one.
Sharon Blonder. I know you will laugh. But it's not funny.
It is, Joe. Babe, the queen seemed to be off your neck at the moment. Have you noticed?
Yeah, I did. I noticed.
What changed?
I don't know. Maybe you should ask her.
Maybe she's realized that you're not part of her problem.
Why should I be her problem? I mean, why would she feel threatened by my presence?
I know.
The last time I arranged for her vacation, I made sure she flew first class.
Can you imagine? I just pray it remains like that because I don't want her problems anymore.
It will remain like that, my darling.
Amen.
See, naturally, the law of correspondence will not allow evil to prevail and win over good.
Amen. Definitely.
As long as I did nothing to her, I did not offend her, whatever is her plan against me will never see the light of the day.
Amen and amen.
Amen, baby.
Complete the gist. So.
Okay, you're done with this one, right?
Welcome to the palace.
Thank you very much.
Just that Princess Obiageri is not around.
Yeah, I know. She went out with Princess Gosiora, right?
Yes, very correct.
Actually, I'm not here to see her. Is Gloria around? Could you help me tell her I want to see her?
Why not? Just have your seat over there while I go call her.
It's alright.
Ben.
My queen, Ikenna is cheating on me and I won't take that. It has to stop.
Definitely, it will stop. So, did you see or catch him with another lady?
My queen, I do not need to see or catch Ikenna with another lady before I can know that he is cheating on me.
How then do you know he's cheating on you?
Okay, fine. Ikenna does not sleep in our room anymore. He sleeps in the visitor's room with different girls. I mean, who does that? Right under my nose. So disrespectful.
It's alright. Just calm down, okay? I need to get this straight. So you're insinuating that he is cheating on you is as a result of his not sleeping in the same room with you?
My queen, this is not an insinuation. I'm telling you for a fact. That's what he's doing.
Oh, I see. I guess he didn't explain things to you.
Explain what to me?
Well, from the time the chief priest declared he is going to lift the Ogidi, he is not permitted to be intimate with any lady he is not traditionally married to.
Excuse me? I don't get that.
All right. Let me make it clearer to you. From the very moment the chief priest declared that he is fit to lift the Ogidi, till after he has lifted it, he is not permitted to come close or even touch any woman. And that's including you.
That's how it's done?
Exactly, my dear.
I mean, why didn't he say anything about this? He could have at least explained it to me instead of just keeping away like that. I mean, that's not nice. Who does that?
Sorry about that. I guess he was still...
Princess, my queen.
What is it?
Auntie Gloria has a visitor.
Huh? Who? Me?
Yes, ma'am.
Visitor? My queen?
I guess you should go and find out yourself. Visitor. You can go now.
Greetings, my prince. Choke on your greetings. Were you expecting my woman?
No, actually,
Listen to me. Let today be the last day I'll see your stinking feet in this palace or anywhere close to my sister. Do I make myself clear?
Prince, come on,
Listen to me. I'm not joking with you. You hear me? Have you listened to me? It could have been worse. It could have been worse for you trying to humiliate the royal family. Get out! Out!
Baby.
Yes,
You know I love you so much, right?
Yeah, maybe. But I love you too.
But I love you more. But then you make me angry sometimes. I mean, why do you keep some things away from me?
How do you mean?
Okay, for instance, you did not tell me that she was supposed to stay away from women until you left the Ogidi. Why didn't you tell me that? And look now, I've accused you wrongly.
Oh, that. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to worry about that.
I'm sorry. Okay? Hey, I'm sorry for accusing you wrongly. Alright?
Babe,
Mm-hmm.
why worry about that? It's fine.
Are you sure?
Trust me. It's good.
Okay. I love you.
I love you too, baby.
But I love you more.
Sister. I'm just coming from your room. I went to check on you, but you weren't there. Tell me, sister. Did Ben tell you what he came to do in the palace today?
Ben was in the palace today.
Wait a minute. Ben did tell you to be coming to the palace today.
No information whatsoever. What did he come here to do?
To woo my woman.
Woo your woman?
Yes.
How?
I told him I don't want to ever see him here again. I told him that I also don't want to see him around you anymore. By the way, how did you manage to stoop so low as to date such a he-goat?
This whole thing is really confusing. Are you saying Ben asked Glory out?
He has been doing it. This is not the first time. And she has been warning him to stop, but he wouldn't. Listen, the next time he set foot in this palace again, I will not hesitate to ask the guards to lock him up. Good night.
Sleep well, dear brother. Ben, you will not change.
You are a disgrace to manhood. A disgrace to manhood. You're the biggest fool on the face of the earth when it comes to anything in skirts.
Where is all this coming from? What did I do wrong?
You did everything wrong the moment you asked Glory out.
Me? Ask Gloria out.
Ben.
I didn't.
Ben, do not deny it. I know you and I know what you're capable of.
If you know me, then you know what I'm capable of doing. Gloria said something to you and you believed her without listening to my own side of the story.
Ben, do not get me mad. Right now, your side of the story is inconsequential. What's your problem with anything and everything in skirts?
What if I tell you that Gloria is making up stories against me?
She cannot make up stories against you. She's with my brother.
Then she should provide evidence that I asked her out. Prove that I asked her out.
I'll be back.
Prove that I asked her out.
To love.
Forever. What is it?
Honestly, baby, I can't remember the last time I had this. I can't remember.
For real?
Yeah, I mean, this is nothing but mixture of preservatives, flavors, sweeteners. Yeah.
Okay, why don't you have it taste again? Try. Just a sip. Try. Come on. So tell me, why are you taking it now? You just drank from it. Why did you take it?
You really want to know?
Mm-hmm.
You know, as an African woman, I have to do my man's bidding. You want me to take this, so I have to take it.
Interesting. You make me laugh.
But that is the truth, baby. Laugh all you want. That's the truth. But seriously, you're going to make me finish this? Ben is here.
Ben?
Yes.
What's he doing here? I thought I asked him not to step foot in this palace anymore.
He also denied asking Glory out. He did? I mean, do you have evidence to substantiate your claims?
Evidence? Why are you asking us for evidence? Hold on a second. Do you think we're making this up?
No. I'm not saying you are making this up. I just want to be really sure that he's guilty so that I will know how to follow him up. It's okay, baby. If she wants evidence, I think I can give her one. You know, the scumbag has been calling me, disturbing me, talking nonsense, and wants you to call to me to record all the nonsense he's been talking to me. So let me see if I can find it. Yeah, here it is.
Perfect. Perfect.
Listen to this.
Listen, if you do not tell me how you got my number, I will end this call right now.
Why are you being this harsh on me? Have I said anything wrong?
You have done everything wrong when you decided to become a Casanova. I mean, like, aren't you ashamed of yourself? Must you sleep with everything in skirts? Must you? Why are you not contented with your woman? Why? Are you not in a relationship with Obio?
Kind of. But the thing is that I fell in love with you the very moment I set my eyes on you.
So, if this is not an evidence, I wonder what is.
I wonder too.
So, have you gotten the evidence you're looking for? Excuse me. Quite excused. I think I know what she's going to do.
I think I know so too.
Ask her out. I didn't ask anybody out. She has a proof. She better have a proof. Jesus Christ.
You're stupid. You're a disgrace to manhood. What's wrong with you? It's over between us for real.
I didn't do anything wrong. Whatever you heard, whatever she told you in there are all lies.
If you were holding me down with a love spell, today it's broken.
Don't tell me you want to destroy the beautiful relationship you and I had, shared, just because of cheap fabricated lies.
In case you do not know, Glory recorded every conversation that you both had and she played it to me. I listened to it.
She did what?
You heard me. Get out.
My love, listen, I can explain.
You have nothing to explain. Get out!
Oga Ben, please, you can leave now.
Get out of here and do not let him come back in this place.
Consider it done, my princess. Oga Ben, my love, listen, I can explain. Oga Ben, please, you can go.
Fool.
Babe. Oga Ben, please drive out.
You want to lose your job? I said take him out of this place.
Yes, my princess. Oga Ben. My love.
Wait there. Just wait there.
You touch me here. Now open gate for you now. Drive.
Come on, what is this still waiting for? I mean,
He's here already.
Good day, Father.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Wow, son, you look so gorgeous. I can see you're already dressed for the event.
Yes, Mother. I am ready.
Do you have any kind of fear in your mind?
Not at all.
Sit down.
Thank you, Father.
I humble myself before the great king of Umudike.
Agaba, no. No.
How are you doing today?
I'm good, thank you.
Good. Anyways, I actually came to inform you that Ezemo has arrived and the Ogidi is already here. With your permission, we may proceed.
Just a minute. The most important thing is that he appreciates the gravity of the situation. And from what he told me, he has prepared himself for it by obeying all the rules. We can go now.
Can I proceed? Don't try to keep. You're not for the woman.
All right,
onye eze mana ọ ga-akara aka rue na onye eze onowu asị gị na ọ ga-akara aka rue na onowu ogidi bụ mmụọ na-ejere ibe ya ozi ogidi bụ oke mmụọ ogidi onye kwu n'iru unu bụ oke arụsị ogidi alụsị na-ejere obodo ozi ogidi mmụọ na-ejere obodo ozi onye eze ogidi bụkwa na oke mmụọ ogidi ogbu onye mgbe ụbọchị na-atụ ya ụtọ ogidi mmụọ obodo jide ogidi na-ebukwa na ihe bụ mmụọ ogidi na-asị na onye bịaghị aka ike nga ọga n'akụkụ gakwụrụ mana ọ bịaghị n'aka nne anyị enyeju onye ihe afọ ogidi oke mmụọ oke mmụọ ogidi ogidi oke mmụọ ogidi onye bịaghị n'aka ike nke ọ gaa n'akụkụ kwụrụ ma ọ bịaghị n'aka nne anyị enyeju onye ihe afọ ogidi oge akara aka erukwana ogidi
Dreams come true. Dreams come true. And dreams come true. After today, things will begin to fall in place. And I will be positioned as the mother queen, the mother of the king of Umudike kingdom. Sounds so interesting. This is the moment of my life I have earnestly waited for. And here it is staring right at my face. Hey, gods of our land, I am grateful. I am grateful for this great opportunity. Hey, I need to prepare a special delicacy for my son, the newest king of Umudike. What should I prepare for him? What should I prepare for him?
My prince, stand up. Remove your cap. Ife money ruru ogie, oburozikwa sir. My prince, it is going to be an easy one. Lifting the ogidi and placing it on your head. Are you ready?
I'm very ready.
Nwata no egwuregwu ogo agụbakwana ya onye eze. Ogidi asịkwana m no oke mmọnwụ ka ebu ogidi. My prince, before you lift the ogidi, you should know that ogidi is the summation of all the powers of masquerades. Only the strong and the mature head carry the ogidi.
I have been briefed about it, and I have researched on it as well. My findings are amazing.
Brilliant. Ogidi oke mmọnwụ, ogidi. Oge akala ka elukwanu, ogidi. My prince, you will lift the ogidi and place it on your head and allow it to stay there for 4 minutes at least. The 4 minutes the ogidi will rest on your head represent the 4 market days of Eke, Ore, Afo, and Nkwo. If you are ready, we are waiting. Carry the ogidi.
Kalaka de Lingulo.
What kind of demon did you ask me to carry on my head? It almost killed me!
I thought you said you prepared him for this thing.
Oh yes, I did. He even confirmed it himself now that he was prepared. I don't know what happened finally.
There is no problem. Sometimes the people that carried the ogidi in the past struggled. You will try the second time.
No, honestly, I don't want to die.
Cut out that stupidity nonsense. Stand down and carry the ogidi. What do you want to do? You don't want to die. Abra Prince Kebu, no ogidi. And Ovian.
Whatever you call this demon, I'm never going to touch it again. What's wrong with you?
If everyone I don't, you have to carry the ogidi for the 3rd time to complete the tripod of rejection. If you succeed, then you will not be counted as a failure. You will become the king.
Ikeda, you can do this. Go ahead!
I can't. Ogidi. Come on!
Isi karaka na-ebu ogidi. Isi na karaka bụ ogidi anyị kwụ onye
ọ bụ na eziokwu ka ị kwuru n'onowu onowu isi karaka na-ebu ogidi na isi na karaka kwụ ogidi anyị kwụ onye onu onowu onye eze ọkwụ na afụgo na omega anyị n'anya onye eze. He may not have committed any offense or violated the laws of the land. It's just that the gods and ancestors of Dikeh may not have seen the needed trace of blood.
Chief Priest, what exactly do you mean by trace of blood?
What happened?
What? How can I do that? How can I do that?
Your Majesty, my lord, my everything, King Dikeh of Dikeh, please, this suspense is killing me. Can you talk to me? How did it go? What happened? How did it go?
It didn't go well. Not at all.
I don't understand. How do you mean you don't know? What happened?
To be frank with you, Mother, I can't explain it. I don't know what happened. Everything happened so fast. That is why I don't like all this masquerade stuff. I don't like them.
Is the ritual connected to the masquerade?
You didn't know?
No.
The chief priest said it. That it is a summation of powers of the masquerade. You didn't know?
Oh, please. Let's sit down. At this point, I want you to give me the detail of everything that happened there.
I don't know, Mother.
Your Majesty, I don't know if you can talk to me now. Please, how did it go?
And the Ogidi couldn't sit on his head.
What? I don't understand. How is that even possible?
I'm as confused as you are. You know, I was shocked. And I really I didn't know how to react. Look, he lifted the Ogidi all right, but he couldn't balance on his head. No. The Ogidi was supposed to stay on his head for 4 minutes. And you know what the 4 minutes symbolize? The 4 market days. Nkwo, Oye, Avo, Eke. Couldn't stay on his head.
Oh, but he was able to lift it up. There's nothing to worry about. At least there is, which means there is hope. He was able to...
Get away from here!
Your Majesty, sorry, Your Majesty.
What can you make of what happened yesterday?
Oh, yes, to the best of my understanding, 2 things are involved. It is either the prince did something that angered the gods, or that he is not your biological son.
The prince is a very gentle character. I mean, he sticks to himself most of the time, and I don't see him as being capable of doing something that will incur the wrath of the gods. That's number 1. And number 2, I married the mother like any other normal man should, and she came in here and been giving me children. I see the prince as my son. I mean, I believe...
What if he is not your biological son? I've been thinking since yesterday, and I figured out that could be what Ezemo meant when he said a trace of blood.
Oh no. Between us, doesn't the prince look like me?
Oh yes, I think we should do less of trying to understand things on our own. You are the king. And at any point you summon the Ezemo, he will come. Summon the Ezemo and specifically ask him to explain what he meant by a trace of blood.
I will do that.
My love. Yeah, baby. It's okay. All right?
It's not okay.
Hey, baby, come on. You have to believe in yourself. It is okay. All right?
Did I hear you say it's okay?
Yes.
Even when my right is about to be taken from me.
Oh, calm down, my darling. Nobody's taking your right away from you. Your right is your right.
Then, why didn't you okay? They stay on my head.
Honestly, my love, that is not what you should be thinking about right now. That is not paramount. Okay? Don't disturb yourself with that. Everything will fall in place.
To be honest with you, I am deeply worried.
You don't have to be. Look at me, baby. Even if things don't work out fine, we will just travel to USA, alright? And live the rest of our lives there.
No. I don't want to travel anywhere. I want to stay back and give my people
good and quality leadership. I'm worried.
You don't have to be. Okay? It's okay. Just calm down.
Ezemo, yes. Why did the Ogidi not sit on my son's head?
Onye eze, ọ bụkwa na ajụjụ ka a jụbara ma wee gbaba onye eze. Onye eze, alụsị kwuru n'iru bụkwa na oke mmọnwụ onye eze. Onye eze, ajụjụ jụrụ m ka m ga-azanụ onye eze. Maka na Masaka ụsa riri ogwu maga na anụ ga-agbụkwanụ ya onye eze. Ọ bụkwa na awọsị na ana manye mmanya na mmiri ọkụ mara na mmiri ede bụọ onye eze. It is very simple. I gave you a clue and I was thinking that you will figure it out on your own.
What clue?
Onye eze, ngwa gee ntị ka nkọzi alụnụ gị. Onye eze. Ikenna is your son traditionally. Ikenna is not your son by blood.
What?
Onye eze nọ n'owu, ọgwụ unu kwere ekwe na ọbara bụ ihe siri ike ṅụọkwa ya. In the matter of the throne, blood goes before tradition.
I don't understand.
Once a traditional stool rests on a family, anybody related to the family by blood can be king, even if he is staying abroad, even if he is not known to any member of that family. That is what is playing out now.
Ezalose, you are confusing us the way you are going around this. Can you give meaning to your word? Oh no,
Ezalose no niru bukwana nnekwu mmọnwụ. Oh no, ọ bụkwa ajụjụ ka a jụwara ama wee gbaa onowu. Onowu mụ bụ eze arụsị na-echekwasị be m ike onowu. Onye eze, ngwa gụchasịa ntị ike ka nkọwalụ unu ọfụma onye eze.
Ọ dị mma.
You have to go and bring somebody that will lift the Ogidi. It is certainly not Ikenna. Onyeze, Ikenna is not your son.
What? Cholo. What do you mean?
You know, I'm still surprised as to why the Ogidi could not stay on his head.
This is worrisome. I am confused myself.
Does this mean that Ikenna is not going to be king after father's reign?
That is what it implies.
The gods forbid. Ikenna must be king.
Exactly. We cannot allow them take royalty away from our lineage.
Gosiora, what do we do?
We fight.
Fight?
Yes. We fight for what belongs to us. Like I said, we cannot let them take royalty away from our family. Never.
I'm giving you only today. Only today to do what I asked you to do. Or I will do what's in my mind.
Can you please exercise patience? Just be patient a little, okay? While I run around for the money.
Who is Patience? Eh? I've exhausted my patience. So it's either you pay me or...
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. That's fine. I'll pay you the money. But can I call you back, please?
That one is your business. If you want to call or if you don't want to call, it's not my business.
Oh my God. She mustn't like these pictures. What do I do now?
I can see you're worried that the ogidi did not sit on your head.
In as much as I'm troubled by that incident, what bothers me now is far from that.
Far from that. What other thing could bother you other than the ogidi not sitting on your head?
Anita, she's threatening to blackmail me with her intimate pictures. She's threatening to tell our family members and Glory about it.
She cannot do that.
Yes, she can. I know her very well.
In that case, we have to stop her.
How do we go about that?
What does she want?
Money.
Then it's easy. Ask her to come to the palace to take the money, and I'll take it up from there.
I want to know what exactly do you intend to do?
Leave that to me. Just do as I said. Tell her to come for the money. I got this. And hey, thank you for letting me know important things.
You're welcome.
Who is the Ikenna's father? You heard me, didn't you? Who is Ikenna's father?
My king, you are his father, of course.
Shut up and don't lie to me. If I were his father, the ogre would have stayed on his head. If you want your head to stay on your own shoulders, tell me the truth. Who is Ikenna's father? Who?
I'm sorry, my king. I'm sorry. I was already with a child before you married me.
Hey! You were pregnant before I married you. In other words, you came here to destroy me. You came here to destroy me. Hey!
I'm sorry. That wasn't my intentions. I was scared. I was scared you would call off the marriage. I did it out of love. Please, my king, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Forgive me.
Get out. Get out of my sight.
My king, please.
Get out!
Ngana male n'ihe ekwe na-akpọlụ m na be m. Nwa alụsị. Ọkwanụ m bụ ogbu ebu na ahụ ube amalụ na mkpu. Nwogidi. Ngwanụ m ihe iji wee bata na be m. nweze Dikeh maka ajụjụ ka a jụrụ ma wee gbaa nweze Dikeh ọkwa m bụ ogbu ebune ube amala na mkpu nwa alụsị nweze Dikeh.
Greetings, wise one.
Greetings, my prince. You are here to find out why the Ogidi could not stand in your head.
Absolutely, wise one.
Where is Dikeh? Ọkwa ajụjụ ka ị bịara ka eji ọmụ ka m wee nwee ike sakwa anụ gị ya. Where is Dikeh? Ma ọkwa na-agwa ntị wee n'ọbara onye ụlọ. Where is Dikeh? Maka onye na-ajụ bụkwa na ọka alụsị. Where is Dikeh? Ọkwa mụ bụ ogbu ebune ube amalụ na mkpu nwa ogidi. Where is Dikeh? Ngwa gụchazi anụ ntị ka m gwa gị iji wee bịazi anụ be m. Where is Dikeh? The answer you seek lies with your mother.
What? My mother?
Yes. Go back to your mother. She will tell you all you seek to know.
Are you sure?
Ọkwa na atụọlọ ọmara atụọlọ ofe ka ofe n'isi n'ọfịa. Where is Dikeh? Ajụjụ ka ajụchakwara ama wee gbabazi anụ. Where is Dikeh? If it is not the truth, it will not come out of my mouth. So, go back to your mother. She will tell you how it all happened.
Mom. You're crying.
Please. I want to be left alone.
No. What is going on with you? You're crying. Talk to us.
My world is collapsing. My world is collapsing and I'm not in the mood to talk about it.
Mommy, what do you mean by your world is collapsing?
Please, please, please. Gosiora and Obiekele, please, both of you. You should leave me alone. Please just let me be.
Mommy, you know that is not possible. Whatever it is, you can trust us. Talk to us.
Oh, I will, but not now. Not even now. No.
Mommy, when? When?
Maybe later, but not now.
Okay. It's okay. We'll let you be. But can you at least stop crying? Mommy, please.
Okay, I'll try.
Please stop crying. Whatever it is, we're here for you. Please. You can call us when you need us, okay? Gosira, let's go.
Okay.
Just stop crying, else I will just start crying too. It's okay, she'll be fine.
Where do I start from? How do I tell them I played the first one on their father just to get into the palace? How do I even tell them that the kid that they've always seen as their blood brother is not their brother? Oh, God. God, God, God. This is really heavy for me to talk about. This is so heavy for me to talk about.
I agreed to marry you because I love you. Under normal circumstances, I won't settle for a man who has no family history to share. But now that I am carrying your child, don't you think you owe me? And you owe it to this unborn child in my womb to tell me all I need to know?
Baby, please. Not now. I beg you in the name of God. Not this time.
Why?
I don't want to talk about him, right? I do not want to talk about who I know nothing about.
What do you mean you know nothing about him?
Maybe I should refresh your memory once again. I grew up with my grandmother. I was practically raised by her, and this man you're talking about did not show up for one day in search of me.
Does that mean he's dead or something?
Baby, please, I do not want to talk about him. Can you just understand me?
You're yelling. You're yelling at me. We are not fighting.
I'm sorry I shouted at you. I'm really sorry. But please, I beg you. I don't want to talk about him. As far as I'm concerned, he does not exist.
It's fine. It's just that I would love to know the family history of my husband, the man I am married to. That's all.
This is a pathetic turn of events. If I had known that this boy is not my son, I would have made arrangements to marry somebody else. It is within my power as the king to marry somebody else to give me a son. The way it is now, royalty will slip away from this family through no fault of mine. I believe that the gods know best.
Like that. Are you okay?
I had a word with the chief priest. And he told me that you alone knows why the Ogidi refused to stand on my head. Tell me, Mama. Tell me that which I need to know. Why didn't the Ogidi stay on my head?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, son. Please, I want you to forgive me.
Tell me that which I need to know.
The king is not your biological father. I was already pregnant with you before the king married me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, son. Please forgive me. I'm so ashamed of myself right now. I'm sorry. I never knew everything would happen so soon. I'm sorry, please, I'm sorry.
let me, I'm not a bastard, so who is my biological father?
He's someone I don't want to talk about. I don't want to talk about him. Please.
Anita.
My princess.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Have you come to take the 5 million naira you asked from my brother? Let me have your phone.
My princess, why are you asking for my phone?
The phone. Let me have the phone. Do not have time for stupid questions. Put in your password. Password. Wow. So these are the pictures that you are blackmailing my brother with. Interesting. Now, do you know that blackmailing someone with the intent of collecting money from that person is an offense punishable by law under the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria? You could go to jail, you know. What am I even saying? I better call the police at once and tell them there is a criminal in my house.
My princess, please, I'm sorry, it's the devil's handwork.
Excuse me, you said?
Devil's handwork.
The devil! Oh, that devil will be spending jail time with you. I better call the police.
Princess, I'm sorry, please. Don't involve the police.
You know what? Let's just say I decided not to call the police. I will have to delete these pictures and format your phone so you don't have them anymore. You've been a bad girl.
Okay. You can go ahead and format it.
Of course, I don't need your permission, darling. I am on it. And if I find out that you have copies of these pictures on another device, darling, I will come for you. When I find you, you will go to jail. Do I make myself clear? Get out. Never come back. Go! Have you ever seen 5 million in your entire life? Ugly thing.
I don't even know where to start. Don't know how to say this story.
Start from anywhere. I'll understand.
My father is in prison.
What? How?
According to the story that I heard, he was involved in an illicit drug business. He was arrested by the police and later sent to jail.
What about your mother?
My mother is another story. She abandoned me with my grandmother. after giving birth to me and ran away. You see? It's a sad story.
Baby, your father may have served his jail term and is out already. He may be looking for you. I'm of the opinion you go out there and look for your father.
Baby, please. Kindly drop it at this point. You've known everything you want to know about my parent. Please, press a pedal. End it here. Okay?
Father. Father, I know you're hurt.
I am. Very.
But I want you to know that I feel more hurt knowing what I've always longed for is about to be taken away from me. And for my mother, Father, I beg of you, please show mercy. Forgive her. Even if this will be the last wish you will grant me. Please do, Father.
I've heard you. Please sit down. Sit down.
Thank you, Father.
Sit down. I've heard you. I've heard you.
So, is there a way out?
I'm afraid there's none. You see, it's a very serious situation. Where succession is concerned, it's the biological son of the Igwe that succeeds him. I have happily raised you as a son, believing that you're my son. You see, the Ogidi couldn't stay on your head for up to 4 minutes. And you know, those 4 minutes represent the 4 market days, Keke, Nkwo, Ore, Abo, that we have. If your mother hadn't created that problem, you would have been the next king of this community. Your mother did not tell me that she was pregnant before I got married to her. So what happened out there has created a credibility problem for us in the palace. People will look on us with some kind of mockery. They're looking at us as people who are not serious. It will look as if deliberately we want a way out so that the kinship can fall on you. I don't know. You see, the gods are in charge. And where the gods are in charge, mortals are completely powerless. So if the Ogidi couldn't sit on your head, and it couldn't, that's the end of the story. I must tell you, yeah, that is the end of the end. There's nothing anybody can do about it at the end. It's so sad. I mean, I love you like my own son. I still do, in spite of everything, but you can't succeed me. You can't.
Like I said earlier, right? I do not want to talk about him. What use is he to me?
He's your father. You need to know who he is. And your born child will be delighted to know him too.
So what if he died in prison?
There is such possibility. But another question is, what if he didn't die in prison?
If he made it out of prison, that's to his own advantage, not mine. I have no business with that. Please, darling, I beg you, can we just end this topic.
I wish we can, but the truth is we can't. Look, if you were to rise to any meaningful position in this community, or even the country, questions will be asked. Questions like who your father is, how he died, and that is, if he is dead, where he's from, and all of those. Funny enough, you do not have such information.
Okay, please, at the right time, I am going to source information about him. Not now, please.
The time is now. This is the perfect time.
You do not impose things on me.
This is not an imposition. Your true identity needs to be unraveled. You did not fall from the sky.
All right, at the right time, I will get all the information about him. But not now, okay? I will create time for it.
Sounds better.
Shall we go to work now?
Okay.
Onye eze alụsị onye ozi ekene gị, onye eze.
Egwu a na-atụrụ abụ buru ụzọ.
Ọgaranya na-eri ihe dị mma na-enye ihe dị mma, onye eze.
Ekene beri nkwu aka ọ bụrụ njide.
Onye eze. Onye eze ndị bie na-eburu oche, onye eze.
Akwa na-ebeli ibu ebe nọ naanị ka nọ n'ebe ọ dị aja ka ọ na-arọ ka ibe isi na-ebu.
Onye eze. Okwe ma na nwoke nụrụ nwaanyị mkpugbu ga-ebu ọ kụtụrụ aka ọ magolu ya enu, onye eze.
Anya na-ebeli igwe ọ bụ ndị mmụọ.
Onye eze. Okwe ma na ozi na-ezi na ma asataghị ya asata na ọ natara chi m, onye eze.
Aka na nwaanyị da nda na abụ bulibe na-ekpu ya gụọ anya ọnụ.
Ngwa gụchanụ ntị ka m zie gị ozi maka ozi ka m ji bịa be gị, onye eze.
Ntị m dị be gị, ana m anụ ka ị na-ewu gaba n'iru na egwu adịrị ya.
That which you seek from afar is dangling under your nose.
Eye of the gods. What do you mean by that?
Onye eze. Ozi m na-abụkwa nzicha ọ dị ka nsizie ya, onye eze.
Ntị m dị be gị.
First of all, I want to make you know that you have a biological son.
What?
Yes. A biological son that will sit on the throne of Dikeh when you are no more.
Chekwelu. I have a biological son. Ebe ka ọ nọzi?
Onye eze. Mgbe ụfọdụ nzi ozi ọ na-agwa ndị mmadụ gharị, onye eze. Mana ozi m bụkwa na ọ natara chi, onye eze. Like I said before, he is not far-fetched. He is dangling under your nose. You see him every day.
I see him every day.
Yes. Discover him. And we will make him carry the ogidi.
Ndị be anyị sị anya bere igwe bụ ndị mmụọ. I see him every day. You know, you heard the chief priest. So what do you think?
Onyeze, I had always seen Ezazu as your blood. Having listened to the chief priest, I am beginning to think he is the one the chief priest was talking about.
Ezazu can't be my blood. Wait. I had an affair with the mother, no doubt about it. But I'm not sure that affair produced a baby boy. But I'm not... Ezazu...
Onyeze, you cannot say. Have you been looking at Ezazu? Maybe take a closer look at him. You are going to see elements of resemblance between you both.
What do you suggest?
Very simple. Let us invite the chief priest again so that he will expose him to the ogidi.
Ọ dị mma. Ọ bụkwa na o nwere ike ibunye ogidi abụọ. If you can't lift that ogidi, what happens?
Let us not go there. Let us invite the chief priest first. I am convinced that Ezazu is the one he's talking about.
All right. That's what we're going to do. There's no harm in doing that. I know that.
Yeah. Ezazu, there is a way you have been carrying yourself since morning. Did someone promise you a huge amount of money?
I had a dream last night.
Dream?
In fact, what is coming to me is more serious than a serious money.
Okay, what was the dream about?
Now listen. I dreamt that I was crowned king of Dikeh. Have you taken your drugs?
Ezazu, why will you be serious?
Do I look like a clown to you? Huh? It's not a laughing matter. Okay, haven't you heard? Haven't you heard that the crown prince of this kingdom could not leave the Ogidi?
Who said this? Where are you from?
I overheard the king and queen discuss it. Yes.
Ezazu, if Prince Ikenna could not leave the Ogidi, does that mean he's not the biological son of the king?
Why are you shouting?
But that's the truth now.
Shut up. You must not shout. We are talking like man to man. You don't have to spill it out first. But well, it's the truth. It's the truth. And that is why the gods have decided to reveal it to me in my dreams. That I am going to become the king of this land. And you shall become my subordinate. I mean your king.
Are you trying to tell me that you are the biological son of the king?
Bam. I am the biological son of the king. See, I have never in my dreams made mistake. In that dream, I am very, very sure that the king and my mother were close. I know my dream. I am the king. Igwe.
Oh yes, that you summoned me back the second time could mean one of these two. That you did not believe my previous message, or that you want me to explain further. Which of the two is correct?
Thank you. I discussed it with Onowu and we settled on Ezazu.
Ọ na-abụkwa na onye ji nwa arụsị ogwugwu ọnwụnwa arụsị udo onye eze. Nkakwu na-agbakwana nsị ude na-eri n'ihe ude na-ekwetegokwana na ọ ga-eri nkakwu onye eze.
I'm listening.
Why must you and Onowu settle for Ezazu?
I'll be honest with you. I had an affair with his mother before we parted ways. If she was pregnant, I wouldn't know.
Mụ alụsị udo na-akwudokwanụ na ụfọdụ mma na-akwudo n'eziokwu onye eze. Well, it is possible that Ezazu might be the one, but it is not in my position to speak. Onye eze. Oh no. When the sun stands at the middle of the sky tomorrow, we will expose him to Ogidi. If he is truly the seed of the king, Ogidi will speak.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Edward, how do you do?
I am fine, Your Majesty.
Sorry, have you been here long?
Not really.
Sit down.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, as you know, this is the end of the month and the worker's salary has been computed. As usual, you need to sign here so we can start disbursement.
Routine, bring it now. I mean,
thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you. May I take my leave?
Keep up the good job.
Abịakwanụ m ka nzi ozi eziri m na be eze Dike. Nwa m makwa onye kwuru n'iru bụ alụsị bụrụ onye na-ejere ogidi ozi nwee eze Dike.
Greetings, wise one.
Maka na mmụọ na-ejere ozi bụ ogidi na-erikwa n'eziokwu na-eri na ụfọdụ mma nwee eze Dike. Maka na ihe a na-adakwa na-akọ n'ebe ọ na-adị nwee eze Dike. Mmụọ na-ejere ozi ziri m ozi ka m bịakwa n'uzie gị nwee eze Dike. Ngụcha ntị ka ịnụkwa n'ozi nji wee bịakwute gị nwee eze Dike.
Greetings.
Greetings. I saw you driving in and I decided to come back. Because the forces, the powers that guides the throne of Dikeh have a message for you.
Have a message for me? Wise one, I don't know, maybe you're mistaking me for someone else. I'm only a staff to the king. And I do not have anything in connection with the throne of Dikeh. So the forces that guides this throne shouldn't be interested in me. Maybe there's a mix-up somewhere.
Maka onye kwuru n'iru bụ ọka alụsị nke ezili nka nna ezikwa n'ụwa eze Dike. Mmụọ na-ejere ozi bụkwa na oke mmụọ bụrụ ogidi. Maka na ọkwanụ nke ezili m ka nna ezi anarakwa m etinye nke nwa eze Dike. Ozi nna ezi asatarakwara m asata na ọ bụ ọnatara chi m nwa eze Dike. The uncertainty surrounding the throne of Dikeh can only be resolved through you.
I am still confused. How do you mean?
Amakwana m na ọ ga-adị gị ka arụ anọ n'elu nyụọsị adị ijiji nwee eze Dike. Mana ọ bụkwa na atụọrọ amalụ ọmalụ atụọla ofe ka ofe nye isi n'ọfịa nwee eze Dike. Ngwagocha ntị ka nkọwalụ gị ọfụma ka o were doo gị anya nwee eze Dike. When the sun will stand at the center of the sky, oke mmụọ ogidi will be exposed before the throne of the king. And then, only then, will the true seed of the king be known. Your Majesty, both of them could be your sons. Therefore, both of them are going to lift the Ogidi. If both succeed, the elder will rule in your stead as king when you may have journeyed to meet your ancestors.
I see. All right. Yes, husband. How old are you?
39, Your Majesty.
39.
39.
Good. You got one you?
That's 8 years.
38. Okay. In other words, Ezra is older than you.
Yes.
I see. Chief priest, you have heard both of them, right? I guess the older person should go first.
Yes. Ogidi bụ one oke mmụọ ogidi.
Ezazo. It's up to you.
Oke mmụọ.
Ibulu ogidi ịdọkọchi ya n'isi gị. What are you doing? Does it mean you cannot carry the ogidi?
What am I saying?
You can. Carry it! What?
Ezazo bunye n'ime aka mmadụ si ebe a kwara ogene.
Mmụọ na-eri na ọfọ na-eri n'eziokwu.
This is not about power. It's not about power. You don't carry it.
Omi ife chidekwa ọfọ. Ogidi. Oke mmụọ. Ogidi.
Olewu.
Werepụta agbagokwana n'iru ehi. Eze Dikeh.
Your time has come. Lift the ogidi. Lift it and put it on your head. Everybody can remember.
Mmụọ na-eri na ọfọ na-eri n'eziokwu. Ogidi.
Look.
Utu Dikeh nwere odogwu. Egwu anaghị atụ afọ okporo ụzọ. Eze mmụọ.
Ọ gwara nwa m dị ire nwe. Nwa m dị ire nwe. Ya, ọ nwere kwere ihe egwutere ihe. Nwa m dị ire nwe.
Ogidi oke mmụọ.
Onye nwe abụle nwa m ka ọ bịara na m. Ọ chọtawo m ya taa. Nwa m dị ire nwe.
Mmụọ na-eri na ọfọ na-eri n'eziokwu. Ogidi. Your Royal Majesty. Oh no. Under the watchful eyes of the gods, the matter of who succeeds Igwe Eze Dikeh
settled
when he journeys to meet his ancestors is settled.
Egwatu. Budogiri ni beliwo. Yebogiri.
Ogidi oke ihe.
Isi kalaka na-egbu ogidi, isi akalaka bụrụ ogidi. Ogidi anyị bụ onye ọnụ.
Eziokwu ka ọ bụkwa na isi kalaka na-egbu ogidi na nke na-akalaka bụ ogidi, ogidi anyị bụ onye elu.
Ogidi.
Onye kwekwu gị mme. Nye do adọ n'ọnwa m ka ebu.
Eze Dikeh.
You see, I don't know why you're still kneeling down. I have overlooked the abomination that you committed. That's why you're still in the palace. Otherwise, I would have thrown you out. So, get up and sit down. Sit down.
I'm grateful, my king. I'm grateful, my king, that you forgave me and accepted me back. But, Your Majesty, I am bothered about the throne.
How is the throne your business?
I've been wondering, who takes over the throne after you?
Egwatu takes over the throne. The chief priest revealed him today. In fact, he put the ogidi on his head. It balanced itself very comfortably. So Egwatu is my son. I mean, I didn't know all that, quite honestly, but the chief priest revealed it today. And then I took my mind back. Yes, there was a time I had an affair with the mother, but I didn't know. But I'm happy. He's my son, and he's going to succeed me.
Over my dead body, that boy will never rule as king in this kingdom.
Why is this cruel oblique glance at me? What is wrong with you? Egwatu is the next king of Dikeh, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. They will succeed me. Get it into your head.
Onyeze, I know the gods are wise and they have the final say, especially when it comes to kingship. But you and I know that a boy that came into the palace in the manner Egwatu did does not deserve the throne.
Shut up. Shut up. I mean, sitting down here, you're worth nothing. I'm just tolerating you because of the boy who calls me father with your son. So shut up. As a matter of fact, this singular statement you've just made now has terminated the period of grace I granted you by allowing you to stay in the palace, right? I mean, can't you use your head? You committed an abomination, and I allowed you to stay here. You're not satisfied. You still want to dabble into what the gods have sanctified. You want to pollute what the gods have sanctified. All right. You have ceased to belong to this family.
Your Majesty.
And you're going to leave this palace now. Gods!
Your Majesty.
Gods!
Are you kidding me right now?
No, baby, no. I'm not kidding you.
Babe, please be serious.
I am serious. I'm dead serious.
Wait. So you're going to be king?
There's a probability I might. I'm so happy.
This is the best news of our lives.
I know. Come here.
Babe, wait. Are you serious?
I am serious. Yes.
God, is this you? God.
I'm serious.
Babe, what about the queen? Is she going to accept you?
The queen?
Yes.
At this point, her opinion does not count.
I don't even know how to feel.
I know. This calls for celebration.
Egwatu, I'm going to ask you some personal questions.
Go ahead, Your Majesty.
Who is your mother?
Your Majesty, her name is Ezinne on Igbo.
And where is she from?
She's from Abata village in our Dikeh. Your Majesty, do you know her?
I do. She was my first love. In fact, my first and only love. I was torridly in love with her before I went to prison, and I remember her telling me she was pregnant. Where is she now?
Your Majesty, I was actually raised by my grandmother. My mother got married to a military officer from Kogi State. She went with him without looking back. All my efforts to reconnect with her didn't work out. Your Majesty, is there any problem? I'm really confused.
Egwatu. You're my son. My son. I've been wondering why I feel very emotional towards you. Why I invest so much affection on you. It's all blood, but as a mortal, I couldn't realize it. Now I know.
son.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome, son.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome, son.
Thank you, Father.
My destined crown, my destined crown, my destined crown, my destined crown. Born in the shadows, no name to claim. Yeah. Our mother's secret, wrapped in pain. The king once wandered, left his mark. Yeah. But his heart's light faded in the dark. Oh, I walk the streets, I've never known my place. A soul unbroken, running life's race. Yet drawn to the palace, the whispers grew loud. And why does the king see me in the crowd? Oh, my destined crown, oh, my destined crown. Is this my place? My destined crown, my destined crown. Oh, I live in the dark, have a place in the light. A trace of my blood on the throne. My destined crown, my destined crown, my destined crown, my destined crown. Is this my place? My destined crown, my destined crown, my destined crown. Oh, my destined crown, my destined crown, my destined crown, my destined crown. The queen's eyes born, she sees what I don't. Guiding her throne, hoping I won't. Yeah. But the king's hand lifts me so high. Yeah. I see the stars, it's reflected in his eyes. Oh, 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 so much close to him, but far away, on the way of the secret, he tries to hide. Every step closer, my heart feels the weight. Yeah, could this be the destiny, or is it just my destined crown, my destined crown? Is this my place? My destined crown, my destined crown. Oh, I live in the dark, have a place in the light. A trace of my blood on the throne. My destined crown, my destined crown, my destined crown, my destined crown. Is this my place? My destined crown, my destined crown, my destined crown, oh, my destined crown, my destined crown, my destined crown, my destined crown. Is this my place? My destined crown, my destined crown, my destined